What's up, Glam fam? If you want to see how I created this look out of a single piece of fabric, then you definitely want to stay tuned. Okay, as you all can see, right now I am trying to figure out the style I want to go with for this look. I am thinking high-end looks, I guess you could say. So I am trying to fit the fabric on me and form it into a dress. So if you all just keep watching, you'll see me figuring that out. And once I get it figured out, then I'm gonna finish it off with this brooch as my closing part. So at this point, you're gonna just keep wrapping and tucking, wrapping and tucking, and wrapping and tucking until you get your desired look. Thank you all for enjoying the behind the scenes of creating content at your house. As I always say, there are no excuses. You're doing it anyway, so turn that camera on. As you all can see, this is the finished look. It definitely had it too tight on my neck. So if you all think I'm holding my head a certain kind of way, I can go back and loosen it up some. But once the whole look was together, then you see I had to add my accessories, which included all things God for this glam fashion. And then I realized my arms were a little bit dry, so I had to go back in there and add me some of that Everything Bossy oil so I can have that glow. And then we stepped outside for a little mini photo shoot, and this is what you got. You all let me know, how does it feel to get dressed with confidence? Would you all try this?
Comment down below. Bye.